Hi, I'm Alagir Lingappa, Assistant Professor. So today's my branch is Atomic and Molecular Physics. Then my chapter, so today's my chapter is Vector Atom Model. Then the concept spinning electron hypothesis, quantum numbers associated with the vector atom model. So atomic and molecular physics, program BSc, say subject physics, semester 5th semester, University Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devara University, session 18, session number 18. A vector atom model, a spinning electron hypothesis, and then quantum numbers associated with the vector atom model. So which are the learning objects we required? A Bose atomic model, a Sommerfield's model, the multiple structure of spectral lines in the simplest hydrogen atom, then angular momentum are possessed by the electron. Then which are the session outcomes? A spatial quantization, a spinning angular momentum, azimuthal quantum number, the magnetic quantum numbers, complex spectra of alkali metals like sodium. So these are the session outcomes. Then which are the prerequisites? Concept of the orbital angular momentum, fine structure of the spectral lines, then magnetic fields, then angular momentum. Then a spinning electron hypothesis. To account for the observed the structure of spatial lines and to explain the anomalous Zeeman effect, the concept of spinning electron was introduced by Alan Beck and Goldsmith in 1926. According to their hypothesis, the electron spins about an axis of its own, while it also moves around the nucleus of the atom in its orbit. The spin of the electron is analogous to the spinning of a planet about its own orbit. According to quantum theory, the spin of the electron also should be quantized. Hence, a new quantum number called the spin quantum number S is introduced. So called, what about the electrons which are present in an atom, that means in the atom? They are revolving around the sun, so called, and also they rotate about their own axis. That means the electron which possessed a complex motion, orbital motion as well as a spin motion, so called, where whatever the spinning motion of electron, which is same as that of the spin of the planets in the solar system. According to older theories, that means the previous theories, the electron was supposed to have only orbital motion around the nucleus. So, only the orbital angular momentum and orbital magnetic quantum number, magnetic momentum are considered. So, before introduce vector atom model, that means whole theories, they considered only the orbital motion of an electron So because of that, they possess the angular momentum and orbital magnetic momentum. So after now, because of spin of the electron must have a spin angular momentum and a spin magnetic moment. Hence, the total angular momentum of an atom is the vector sum of the orbital angular momentum and spin angular momentum. Similarly, the total magnetic momentum of an electron is the vector sum of the orbital magnetic moment and then the spin magnetic moment. A spin quantum number S corresponding to the spin angular momentum, Ps is equal to SH cross. According to wave mechanics, Ps is equal to S into S plus 1 or to the power of half into H cross. So called a spin magnetic quantum number. Then quantum numbers associated with the vector atom model. The principal quantum number n, the serial number of the cells starting from the innermost is assigned its principal quantum number. It can take only the integral values excluding 0, say n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So that means the principal quantum number which indicates the orbit number, which contains the integral values. Say n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then there is second number, so called the orbital quantum number. Usually the orbital quantum number which can be represented by the letter L. It can take any integral values between 0 and n minus 1. Let if n is equal to 4, then L can take the values 0, 1, 2, 3. By convention, an electron for which L is equal to 0 is called a S electron, L is equal to 1 is called a P electron, L is equal to 2 is called a D electron, L is equal to 3 is called a F electron. So the orbital angular momentum PL of the electron is given by PL is equal to LH cross. And according to wave mechanics, PL is equal to L into L plus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 2 H cross. That means according to wave mechanics. So here the orbital quantum number is the second quantum number associated with the vector atom model. So then the third quantum number, the spin quantum number. The spin quantum number which can be represented by the letter S. The spin quantum number S, either it will take plus of or minus of. And also spin quantum number is quantized. Then Ps is equal to SH cross. Again according to wave mechanics, Ps is equal to S into S plus 1 over to the power of 1 by 2 H cross. So for clockwise spin, so called for a parallel spin, H, that should be plus of. For an anti-clockwise spin, H should be minus, S should be minus of. So for a clockwise spin, so the clockwise spin is known as a parallel spin. Then S which can take the value plus of. For anti-clockwise spin, so called anti-parallel spin, then S which can take the value minus of. So the left diagram that indicates parallel spin, so right diagram that indicates anti-parallel spin. The total angular momentum quantum number, so usually which can be represented by J. The term J represents the total angular momentum of the electron, which is the vector sum of the orbital angular momentum and spin angular momentum. So we have J is equal to L plus S, where J is positive, but as J is equal to L plus S, S is parallel to L, when J is equal to L minus S, then S is parallel to anti-parallel to L. The total angular momentum of the electron Pj is equal to Jh cross. Then again, according to wave mechanics, Pj, which is equal to J into J plus 1 to the power of 1 by 2 into H cross. So the fourth quantum number, the total angular momentum quantum number, it can be represented by the letter J associated with vector atom model. To explain the splitting of spectral lines in a magnetic field, three more magnetic quantum numbers are introduced. The magnetic orbital quantum number ML, the projection of the orbital quantum number L on the magnetic field direction is called as the magnetic orbital quantum number, which can be represented by the letter ML, where ML contains the value L, L minus 1, L minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That is, ML can have positive values, 2L plus 1. The angle between L and B, which is given by cos pi, is equal to ML by L. For J is equal to 3, the permitted orientations are 7, for which 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here the vector L can take only the 7 orientations as shown in the figure. So this is known as a spatial quantization. So just to see the L is equal to 3, there are 7 orientations, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here L is equal to 2, there are only 5 orientations, 2, 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2 in the presence of magnetic field. So sixth magnetic spin quantum number, usually which can be represented by Ms. This is the projection of the spin vector S along the direction of the magnetic field and is denoted by Ms. The spin angular momentum can have only two possible positions with respect to the magnetic field. It may be parallel or anti-parallel to the direction of B. So Ms can have only two values, that is plus or minus half. So magnetic spin quantum number, the sixth spin quantum number associated with the vector atom model, when the spin motion of electron, if it is subjected to the external magnetic field, it gets oriented. There are only two possible orientations, that means two possible positions with respect to the magnetic field, either plus half or minus half. Then magnetic total angular momentum quantum number, this is the projection of total angular momentum vector J on the direction of magnetic field. If we are dealing with a single electron, J can have only odd of integral values. That is, J is equal to L plus or minus half, or Mj is equal to ML plus or minus half. So that means magnetic total angular momentum quantum number. Hence, mj must have only hard half integral values. mj can have only 2j plus 1 values from plus j to minus j with 0 e excluded. Let's consider L is equal to 2, S is equal to plus or minus half. Then J is equal to L plus or minus half. J is equal to 2 plus or minus half. Therefore, J is equal to 5 by 2. J is equal to 3 by 2. Now consider only J is equal to 3 by 2. Then Mj 2J plus 1 which is equal to 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 which is equal to 4. Where Mj is equal to 4, it suggests a total angular momentum vector. J is equal to 4 has 4 orientations to the direction of magnetic field B. So the magnitude of Mj will be from minus J to plus J. If suppose J is equal to 3 by 2, then Mj which can take the value minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, plus 3 by 2. Similarly, for J is equal to 5 by 2, then again minus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, plus 3 by 2, plus 5 by 2. So that means total magnetic quantum number. So here's the diagram. Mj plus 3 by 2, Mj is equal to plus 1 by 2, then Mj is equal to minus 1 by 2, then Mj is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is for our, what about the splitting of 3p 3 by 2 level in weak magnetic field. Then what are the applications? They can be used to determine the electron configuration of an atom. They can be used to the probable location of the atom's electrons. They are also used to understand other characteristics of the atoms such as ionization energy and the atomic radius. Then applications of quantum numbers, a projection method to a tetrahedral shape and high spin states in nuclei. So these are the some of the applications of vector atom model, that means the quantum numbers associated with the vector atom model. So now we have discussed about multiple choice questions. So first one, which of the following quantum numbers can distinguish between two electrons present in the same orbital? Azimuthal quantum number, first choice. Second one, principal quantum number. Then third one, magnetic quantum number. Then fourth one, a spin quantum number. Here the spin quantum number is the right answer. Number can distinguish between two electrons, but which are present in the same orbit. Which of the following quantum numbers governs the spatial orientation of the atomic orbital? So first one, magnetic quantum number, second spin quantum number, then third azimuthal quantum number, fourth principal quantum number. So magnetic quantum number is the correct answer. So third one, which of the following quantum numbers tells the three-dimensional shape of an atomic orbital? Azimuthal quantum number, principal quantum number, spin quantum number, magnetic quantum number. So here the azimuthal quantum number which tells the three-dimensional shape of an atomic orbital. Then the maximum number of electrons that can fit in an orbital with n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1. So 2, that means the maximum number of electrons fit in an orbital with n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1. Then which of the following quantum number gives the shape of atomic orbital of a subshell? So L, that indicates the shape of atomic orbital of a subshell. So these are the multiple choice questions for a vector atomic model, that means for quantum numbers which are associated with. Again, these are the applications. So already I told you in the previous slide, they can be used to determine the electron configuration of an atom. They can be used to probable location of the atom's electron. They are also used to understand other characteristics of atoms such as ionization energy and the atomic radius. Then applications of quantum numbers, a projection method to tetrahedral shape and high spin states in nuclei. So applications of the authors usually these are the references for the study of, I think, modern physics, so called vector atom model, maybe spinning hypothesis of electron, and then quantum numbers associated with vector atom model. So modern physics by B.V.N. Rao, modern physics volume 2 by Basuraj Homkar Publications, concept of modern physics by S.L. Gupta and A.S. Gupta, modern physics by Murugesan, then college physics volume 3 by Sundar Rajan and others. So thank you.